In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to toggle off your camera during a video call, ensuring you maintain control over your visual presence in an online meeting. Whether you're working from home or on the go, knowing how to manage your camera settings can help you maintain privacy and professionalism. First, let's begin by opening the video conferencing application on your device. This could be any platform you're utilizing for virtual meetings: Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, or similar. The key here is to have the application open and be ready to join a meeting, or if you're already within a meeting, you should be able to see some controls either at the bottom or the top of your screen layout. Next, eye for the camera icon. This icon is typically shaped like a little video camera or a circle with a slash through it, and it's usually found alongside other control buttons like the microphone or share screen options. It's a universal symbol, so once you've located it, you're one step closer. Now, click on this camera icon. Clicking on it will toggle your camera off, changing your status from visible to invisible. This action sends a signal to the meeting software that you don't wish for your camera to be displayed. You'll likely notice an immediate change on your screen. The background or interface might alter to indicate that your camera has been successfully deactivated. Often, a notification or icon change will show you that your camera is now off. Some platforms might replace your video feed with your profile picture or your username, so don't be alarmed if you see something different on screen. Additionally, it's important to remember that if you wish to turn your camera back on at any point during the meeting, the process is just as simple. Re-clicking the same camera icon will switch your video feed back on. This flexibility allows you to choose moments when you wish to be visible. For those entering a meeting with the intention of keeping their camera off from the start, some applications offer a setting to enter audio-only mode. Typically, you'll find this in your settings menu under video preferences or meeting options. It's a proactive step to ensure your camera won't be active when you join a call. No matter which method you use, having this knowledge in hand allows you to manage your virtual presence confidently, whether you need a moment of privacy or wish to avoid distractions. With practice, these steps will become second nature and you'll handle them with ease. That's all for today's guide. Stay in control of your digital interactions and happy conferencing.